Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. Do you often read books?
Yes, I usually read books whenever my professor told me
Tells
that
me, professor, now or past?
past
Okay.
told me I need to write a report because as I attached with the hospitality field, so I sometimes I need to read lots of books for my report writing. And to answer your question, I usually often read books.
Okay, that's good. So try to make this answer in present, because question is, do you often read books? Say yes, I mostly read books as I'm doing a course in hospitality and there are different books related to that. Whenever my professor gives me any assignment and he gives me certain books as reference, so I need to consult those books. So to answer your question, yes, I'm a regular reader, something like that. Are your reading habits different now as compared to the past?
Yes, I think it's very different because when I was in my childhood, I remember that I was very weak in reading because I forget about all the main points of reading. But now I built a habit to remember all the things.
I have developed a habit.
I have developed a habit to remember things. So now I think my reading is too good, according to as compared to my earlier reading skills.
Good. Have you ever read a book that was adapted into a film?
Yes, I remember 2 weeks ago I read a book which
I
is
read a book.
I read a book which is Harry Potter and Cursed of Goblins. It is written by Margaret. It was written by Margaret Hogwarts. Now they make movie on Harry Potter book, and I think this is the best novel book that can be a film in Hollywood.
Okay, all right, this is good. Just you need to organize your answers, and sometimes there is issue of clarity and sentence structure. So practice all these topics and you're gonna be fine, right? Okay, let's go on. It's your turn. Do you watch sports programs on TV?
Yes, I watch a sports program on TV because it is according to my taste, and whenever
they are according to my taste.
They are according to my taste. Whenever I watch a sports program on television, I feel happy and enjoy a lot because it makes me comfortable.
They make me comfortable. As we're talking about sports programs, so you can say such type of programs make me comfortable.
Okay. I like to watch table tennis because I play myself, so I love table tennis to watch on TV.
All right, let's go on. Do you like to watch football?
Yes, sometime I want to watch football match. If football match happen in the international level, so I prefer to watch, otherwise not.
Okay. Would you like to participate in any game in the future?
Yes, I like to participate.
I would like to
participate in table tennis because I love table tennis and always prefer table tennis as compared to other games.
Okay. All right. Overall, it's good, but you need practice. Practice all these topics from the book, and you're gonna be fine. And smile as you talk.
That this topic is according to my taste. Sometimes the examiner
listen,
different topics.
Honey, listen. Everything is not according to your taste in life. Okay, so acquire the taste. Okay. All right. Thank you.